Alright, here we go, guys. Subterfuge, box break number 681. It's 3-box Team Select, Prime, 12th edition, and Playbook. We got Jesse and Ruben and Sean and Daryl, Peanuts, Taz, and Todd and Chuck won Columbus, and anybody with asterisks won their team in Zach's break. Really cool of him to do that. So we got War Machine, Peanut, Ruben, Steve with the free spot, Chuck, War Machine, Aldred, Gendron, Aaron, PJ, Taz. Aaron won 2 spots. Chuck, PJ, Jose, PJ won a spot. Warren's got the nuts. Aaron won another spot. There we go. Good luck, guys. We're going to start off with Playbook. Then we'll do the 12th edition, then we'll finish off with Prime. So here's our serial for the first box, ending in 206, like it's supposed to. Good luck to you guys. Some awesome out of here would be nice. Looks like a thin pack. Yep. Could still be a redemption for another booklet in there. We'll find out in a few minutes. Looks like 4 cards. 4 hits. First base. Going to PJ. Sidney Crosby base card. Crosby base out of 249. Next hit. Going to Jesse and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Social signatures of Brett Connolly. And he forgot to put his social signature on it. Unless I'm missing something. Oh, it says it at the bottom. Okay. Usually they write them on there. Whatever. Go, bud. And for Jesse again, we got a breakout jersey card. Got a 199 of Jacob Trouba. Not bad. Jacob Trouba jersey for you, Jesse. And we have got a... Wow. Really? Okay, so Jesse gets the booklet too. The Anaheim Ducks and Sammy Vatanen. Dual jersey autograph booklet. And this is one of the common ones out of 199, I think. Yep, 106 of 199. Way to clean out the old Playbook box there, my friend. Alright, let's get on to this box or pack of 12th edition slabs. I love this stuff. Let's see what we got in there. Base card. And it is green. Ed Belfour. And this card's going to Dallas Stars, because he has Dallas Stars jersey on. Base card. Oh, it's a silver. Number 22 of 30. 22 of 30. We have... he just got knocked out of the playoffs. This card's going to Chuck. Jacob Voracek autograph. Number 2. Whoa. We got something huge coming up here. Number 2 of 29. Jacob Voracek autograph. Silver. What in the world is this? Oh, Jesse, you are so lucky, man. The Tampa Bay Lightning. Ultimate number 1/1. Steven Stamkos. Sketch card. Sketch memo card. 1/1. Steven Stamkos. There you go. Hope you like that. That's a nice $400 bill right there. What does it say? On the front of this card is a 1/1 sketch of Steven Stamkos drawn by Mike James. He's signed it on the back even. Wow. Another. My last 3 box I did of this stuff had a great pack. This pack is awesome. I love that card. And we got Prime. The serial number is obscured, so I'm going to cut it away first. It's a real pain to get this one. What do we have for blog? Show up for the camera, ending in 170. And for blog. Kind of see it, whatever. It's on the YouTube video. Our box of Prime. Wow. Jesse. You're on fire. That'll learn you. You've been hitting pretty good, Nova. That Stamkos is going to do you well. So we've got our Prime pack. Lift the sleeve. Grab the Dominion pack. Get rid of these. Over there. And let's start with Dominion. I always like to start with Dominion. Oh my goodness. I see a big patch of some sorts. I got a base card for Chicago. Going to Soccer Taz. Patrick Kane. Ooh, that's pretty. Gendron. You're going to be happy you bought the Minnesota Wild, bud. You got pick card, 2-color, kinds of breaks. Number 19 of 99. Nice card there, Gendron. Just came in. I'll give you a zoom in on that. No patches there. Looks like jersey letters. Nameplate letters. Not zooming. Alright. There we go. Some stitching. There you go. And Nascar always seems to hit the Dominion and inside Prime. Dominion packs. Oh! Ruben, you're going to like this card. Has some value. Even though it's a short print base. Patrick Waugh, number 9 of 10. The hollow base, or whatever they're called. Patrick Waugh. Oh, Ruben. We have got a Prime jersey autograph for Saber Sean. Number 16 of 50 of Travis Turnbull. We've got a Prime jersey for the Dallas Stars and War Machine. Oh, wow. That's pretty. Oh, Riley Smith. Awesome. Out of 5 of 99. Just a jersey card. Yeah, you would think so, hey, Todd? That's a pretty patch. This is what I got last. Okay, we'll do this one. A rookie card for the Calgary Flames and Devilish. Akeem Alou, number 169 of 249, all black jersey swatches and autograph. He doesn't look particularly good in that photograph. And the last card, we got a beautiful little patch here. And, well, we might as well just give the credit to this break to Jesse, who just won this break big time. Number 1 of 10, primetime rookie patch for the Anaheim Ducks, Matt Clark. Yeah, you got shut out. Jesse won everything. That's, man, when people win like that, that's why you get into breaks. So another nice little jersey number or letter right there. So thank you guys for buying out, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great night.